Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and we are going to start this video off with me just stripping my daughter's bed. We are just doing some quick cleaning up. I need to obviously wash her bed sheets, sanitize. I have some laundry I need to do. I want to clean both bathrooms, clean my kitchen, sweep my floor completely, and also mop. So that is what we are going to be getting into in this video. So we are downstairs and we are just going to unload this dishwasher and then load it up from all of the dishes. My dishes were pretty kind of stacked in the sink because we were making tacos and like the weekend was coming up, so I wanted to hurry up and get everything situated. So yeah, this is like my little routine. And I really just wanted to get the whole house pretty much put together.
Return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken.
I am now cleaning out my my microwave. My microwave really wasn't that dirty or anything. I just really needed to quickly wipe it out and wash off the plate.
You call me if I'm in the dark. I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it.
And as usual, when I'm sweeping up the floor, I'm going to fill up the guinea pig's cage. And no, I did not clean their cage, because their cage was recently cleaned, maybe like 2-3 days before then. They just really know how to mess up this cage.
You call me if I'm in the dark. I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a.
I'm not doing a huge deep clean in this bathroom because the bathroom was recently cleaned, so I'm just wiping everything down with some Lysol wipes and pretty much keeping it pushing.
You call me if I'm in the dark. I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
My kids are hurrying up and cleaning up all of their toys off of the floor so that way I can sweep and mop up the floor. And now we are upstairs getting this laundry handled, folded, and put away. And then I will move on to my kids' room so that way I can put my daughter's bed back together.
keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them jealous, everybody, 'cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. It's coming over me. It's everywhere I see. It feels like ecstasy. Our chemistry surrounds me. Wanna get you closer.
And at this point, I'm cleaning the bathroom, but it's a little bit later because I had to get my kids in bed. So I am just now going to, I had already, while I was putting the kids in bed, I had already sprayed everything in the bathroom. And then I end up spraying it again, so that way it was just completely sanitized. And now I am just wiping everything down. I know I don't say this often, but I do clean my bathroom with 3 different rags. One for the tub and shower, one for the toilet, and then one for my sink area. So that way nothing is cross-contaminating. And I'm just hurrying up and cleaning my bathroom. Then I will be sweeping and mopping.
Like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now?
I am going to show you guys the dirty mop water at the end. When I zoom in, you'll see like a little rust spot on my toilet. No, my toilet is not dirty because clearly I just cleaned it, but there is a rust spot on our toilet and it kind of does look gross, but my toilet was definitely clean.
Feeling in my bones.
Hey guys, if you're making it to this part of the video, that means we have reached the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do consider. We have a whole lot going on on this channel, so I hope you're ready for it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.